Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, welcome back my YouTube channel. Today I will mention 100 words in two different accents. 50 vocabularies with American accent and 50 vocabularies with British accent. Soccer, football, schedule, timetable, closet, wardrobe, boots, vacation, holiday, fall, autumn, garbage, obese, overpass, flyover, track, low eye, parking lot, car park, elementary school, primary school, restroom, public toilet, elevator, lift, eggplant, aubergine, flashlight, torch, draperies, curtains, subway, tube, jello, jelly, eraser, rubber, mailbox, postbox, refrigerator, fridge, sneakers, trainers, chips, faucet, tap, sweater, jumper, store, shop, movie, film, motorcycle, motorway, highway, motorway, traveling, garbage collector, dustman, sidewalk, pavement, license plate, number plate, zipper, zip, railroad, airway, mail, post, stove, cooker, pajamas, cookie, biscuit, dustbin, trash can, taxi, cab, candy, sweet, color, cafeteria, canteen, package, parcel, cotton candy floss, broiler, kill, cell phone, mobile phone, teller, cashier, test, exam. Hi Lucas, do I have a timetable to meet a client tomorrow? There is no schedule, sir. What do you ask something like that? Tomorrow is my doctor's birthday, so I promised her that I will come. Oh, happy birthday to your doctor. May God bless her. Thank you, Lucas.